Hello friends, welcome to my 90 Zone YouTube channel. Now let's see how to disable safe mode. Now you can see I cannot open my sounds in here, not opening. Let's check how to fix this, how to remove this safe mode. Right click on your start menu and click on run. Now you want to type this command msconfig msconfig and click OK. After you can see this menu. Now you want to go to boot option. If your computer already enabled this safe mode, you want to uncheck this. After come to general, and now this laptop selected this option. You want to select normal startup mode. Click on it and click on apply. After click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer. Click on restart. Let's check after restart. I already restarted my computer. Now you can see my sounds working. Wi-Fi connection all are working. In this method you can remove your computer safe mode and you can enable these sounds like this. I think this video is helpful to you. So if this video helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.